નમસ્કાર. આજે આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 3માં પ્રશ્નના જવાબ જોઈશું. સૌપ્રથમ આપણે ફકરો વાંચીશું અને ત્યાર પછી તેની નીચે આપેલા પ્રશ્નના જવાબ લખીશું. રીડ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. આપેલ ફકરો વાંચો અને જવાબ લખો. સિદ્ધાર્થ, I want to become a teacher. I will laugh with my students. I will not shout at them, but will shout with them. I will never insult my students and will not find faults with them. Every student has some special ability. I will play with them and will discover their special abilities. Number 8. What does Siddharth want to become? So Siddharth wants to become a teacher. Number 2. What will Siddharth do with his students? So Siddharth will laugh with his students. ફરીથી Siddharth will laugh with his students. Number 3. I will not shout at them but will shout with them. Who said this line? Siddharth. Number 4. Siddharth will laugh with his students. સાચું કે ખોટું? સાચું. Number 5. What will Siddharth not do? So Siddharth will never insult his students and will not find faults with them. ફરીથી what will Siddharth not do? સિદ્ધાર્થ શું નહીં કરે? Siddharth will never insult his friends and will not find faults with them. Number 6. Siddharth will never insult his students. જવાબ આવશે A. Number 7. What will Siddharth not find with his students? So Siddharth will not find faults with his students. Number 8. Every student has some special ability. જવાબ આવશે D. Number 9. How will Siddharth discover the special abilities of his students? ફરીથી How will Siddharth discover એટલે શોધવું. Discover the special abilities of his students. So Siddharth will play with his students to discover their special abilities. ફરીથી Siddharth will play with his students to discover their special abilities. તો સિદ્ધાર્થ એ બાળકની સ્પેશિયલ એબિલિટી એટલે કે વ્યક્તિગત ક્ષમતા શોધવા માટે તેમની સાથે રમશે. વિલ પ્લે એટલે કે તેમની સાથે રમશે. નંબર 10. Who will play with the students? Siddharth will play with the students. Siddharth, my students will give their opinions in the class. I will not insist on the pin drop silence in the classroom. There will be cheerful voices in my class. I dislike lectures, so I will teach my students through activities. We will do a lot of listening, speaking, and hands-on activities together. We will go out, sing, dance, and have fun together. In short, I will be a friend for all. They all will love me. I will enjoy my life as a teacher. Number 8. Siddharth will not insist on pin drop silence in the classroom. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો સાચું. Number 2. Who will give opinions in the class? તો Siddharth's students will give opinions in the class. Number 3. Siddharth dislikes lectures. જવાબ આવશે B. સિદ્ધાર્થ dislikes lectures. નંબર 4. There will be cheerful voices in the class. cheerful એટલે કે આનંદી. નંબર 5. How will Siddharth teach in his students? So Siddharth will teach his students through activities. ફરીથી how will Siddharth teach his students? સિદ્ધાર્થ તેના વિદ્યાર્થીઓને કઈ રીતે શીખવશે, કેવી રીતે ભણાવશે? સિદ્ધાર્થ will teach his students through activities. નંબર 6. What will Siddharth do with his students for fun? So Siddharth will go out, sing and dance with his students. Siddharth will go out, sing and dance with his students. Number 7. What kind of activities will Siddharth do with his students? So Siddharth will do listening, speaking and hands-on activities with his students. ફરીથી સિદ્ધાર્થ will do listening, speaking and hands-on activities with his students. Number 8. Who will enjoy his life as a teacher? Siddharth will enjoy his life as a teacher. Eva said, last January I went to my uncle's place. It is in Vadgam near Khambat. A group of young boys and girls from Vadodara came there. They crossed the Bay of Khambat on foot when there was no tide. They came there to see the flocks of flamingos at night. They observed the night sky with a big telescope. Number 8. Where did Eva go last January? So Eva went to her uncle's place last January. અહીં ગોનું ભૂતકાળનું રૂપ થશે went, કારણ કે અહીં did થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછાયો છે. નંબર 2. Where did વડગામ? તો near ખંભાત. તો જવાબ આવશે D. નંબર 3. Who came to વડગામ? A group of young boys and girls from Vadodara came to Vadgam. Number 4. The boys and girls crossed the Bay of Khambat. Bay of Khambat એટલે ખંભાતનો અખાત. નંબર જવાબ આવશે B. નંબર 5. When did they cross the Bay of Khambat? So they crossed the Bay of Khambat when there was no tide. Number 6. A group of young boys and girls from Vadodara came Vadgam to see the flock of flamingos. જવાબ આવશે A. Flock of flamingos મતલબ કે ફ્લેમિંગો એટલે કે સુરખાબનું ટોળું, સુરખાબનું ઝુંડ. નંબર 7. They observed the night sky with a telescope. તો સાચું. નંબર 8. Which word is used for groups of birds? તો flock. પક્ષીઓના સમૂહ માટે કયા શબ્દનો ઉપયોગ થયો છે? તો flock. Eva said, Dhavalbhai was the organizer of this trip. I talked with him. I learned a lot of interesting things about nature. I will also become a trekking organizer like him. I will study birds, butterflies, insects, animals, soil and trees. They all are lovely parts of our world. I will also learn sky gazing. I will talk to my friends and we will make a group. At first we will find out the beautiful places in Gujarat only. Number 8. Who was the organizer of this trip? So Dhavalbhai was the organizer of this trip. Number 2. Who learnt interesting things about nature? So Eva learned interesting things about nature. Number 3. What does Eva want to become? So A. A tracking organizer. जवाब આવશે A. Eva want to become a tracking organizer. Number 4. What will Eva study? So Eva will study birds, butterflies, insects, animals, soil and trees. ફરીથી Eva will study birds એટલે કે પક્ષીઓ, butterflies એટલે કે પતંગિયા, insects એટલે કે જંતુઓ, animals એટલે કે પ્રાણીઓ, soil એટલે કે જમીન અને trees એટલે કે વૃક્ષો. તો Eva આ બધાનો અભ્યાસ કરશે. નંબર 5. Dhavalbhai was the organizer of the trip. જવાબ આવશે C. નંબર 6. Eva learnt a lot about nature. નેચર એટલે પ્રકૃતિ, કુદરત. તો પ્રકૃતિ વિશે એવાએ ઘણું શીખ્યું. જવાબ આવશે B. નેચર. નંબર 7. What will Eva learn? Eva will learn interesting things about nature. ફરીથી what will Eva learn? Eva શું શીખશે? Eva will learn interesting things about nature. નંબર 8. Eva will learn sky gazing. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો સાચું. Eva said, Dhavalbhai said to me, once you come in contact with nature, you will love it more. He also said, this is a very good work. You can earn good money. It is a service to the young generation. It will make your life thrilling. Number 8. Once you come in contact with nature, you will love it more. Who said this line? So Dhavalbhai said this line. Number 2. Organizing a tracking is a service to the young generation. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો સાચું. નંબર 3. Organizing a tracking will make Eva's life thrilling. નંબર A. જવાબ આવશે A. thrilling. નંબર 4. Eva cannot earn good money through organizing tracking. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો ખોટું. નંબર 5. It is a service to the young generation. જવાબ આવશે B. It is a service to the young generation એટલે કે યુવા પેઢી. જવાબ આવશે B. Eva said, the name of my organization will be Together with Nature. We, my friends and I will organize trips to different parts of Gujarat like Ratanmal, Jambugoda and Dwarka. I hope all of you will join us and will enjoy your life. Number 8. What will be the name of Eva's organization? So the name of Eva's organization will be Together with Nature એટલે કે પ્રકૃતિની સાથે. Number 2. What will Eva and her friends do? Eva and her friends will organize trips of different parts of Gujarat. ફરીથી Eva and her friends will organize trips of different parts of Gujarat. Number 3. To which parts of Gujarat will Eva organize trips? તો Eva will organize trips to Ratan Mahal, Jambugoda and Dwarka. નંબર 4, Eva will organize a trip to Rajasthan. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો ખોટું. નંબર 5, Eva hopes that all will join her. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો સાચું. Nitin said, I love nature. I like pollution-free life. So I will become a farmer. I will have a timetable-free life. I will enjoy all the seasons. My family will have healthy food, fresh air and healthy drink. We will keep a shade of cows, buffaloes and goats. They will give us milk and organic fertilizers. Number 8. What does Nitin love? તો Nitin love nature. જવાબ આવશે D. નંબર 2. Nitin likes a pollution free life. પોલ્યુશન એટલે કે પ્રદૂષણ. તો પ્રદૂષણ મુક્ત જીવન. જવાબ આવશે C. પોલ્યુશન ફ્રી, પ્રદૂષણ મુક્ત. નંબર 3. Nitin will become a farmer. જવાબ આવશે A. farmer. નંબર 4. Nitin wants timetable free life. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો સાચું. નંબર 5. Why will Nitin become a farmer? તો Nitin will become a farmer because he loves nature, pollution free and timetable free life. નંબર 6. Nitin will not enjoy all the seasons. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો ખોટું. નંબર 6. Nitin will not enjoy. નંબર 7. What will Nitin's family have? Nitin's family will have healthy food, fresh air and healthy drink. Number 8. Where do farmers keep cows and buffaloes? The farmer keeps cows, buffaloes and goats in a shed. Number 9. What do the animals give to the farmers? The animals give milk and organic fertilizer to the farmers. Nitin said, I will grow organic crops, vegetables and fruits. They will make people healthy. Farming is a very good profession. A farmer can enjoy family life and healthy life and can give healthy life to others. Number 8. What will Nitin grow? Nitin will grow organic crops, vegetables and fruits. Organic crops એટલે કે કુદરતી પાક, વેજીટેબલ્સ એટલે શાકભાજી અને ફ્રૂટ્સ એટલે કે ફળો. Nitin કુદરતી પાક, શાકભાજી અને ફળો ઉગાડશે. ગ્રો એટલે ઉગાડશે. નંબર 2. How can people become healthy? તો eating organic crops, vegetables and fruits make people healthy. Number 3. Nitin will use chemical fertilizer. સાચું કે ખોટું? તો ખોટું. Number 4. What can a farmer give to others? A farmer can give healthy life to others. Who can speak these sentences? Write their names. આપેલા વાક્યો કોણ બોલી શકે છે? તેના નામ લખો. નંબર 1. Students, keep quiet. There is a bird in that tree. Eva. Number 2. Friends, we will go for a movie on 26th January. Siddharth. Number 3. We use only organic fertilizers. Nitin. Number 4. Divyesh, will you please distribute these word cards to each groups? Siddharth. Number 5. We supply 200 liters of milk to the dairy every day. Nitin. નંબર 6 લુક એટ ધીસ બ્યુટીફુલ પ્લાન્ટ્સ. તો ઈવા.